right now, I am feeling angry. But being angry all the time is not good. When we feel angry, we should take a deep breath, calm down, and be kind to others.
Are you ready to draw cute little anger together? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Step 1. The angry eyebrows first. Draw 2 slanted lines, tilting down in the middle. Push them downward in the middle to make him look extra angry. Step 2. Let's draw 2 big, round circles for the eyes. Make sure they touch the eyebrows. It is so easy and so much fun. Step 3. The irises. Inside each big eye, draw another nice circle. You are doing amazing! Let's make his eyes sparkle. Draw tiny white dots inside each eye for the shine. Now, color the space around the tiny dots with a nice, deep black. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. He is already looking a little grumpy. Step 5. The grumpy mouth right under the eyes. Isn't he so cute? Step 6. The face cube. Let's draw a big shape around the whole face. It's like a square, but with soft, rounded corners just like a friendly cube. Amazing lines! Step 7. Our little friend needs some cheeks. Draw 2 soft, pink ovals on the sides of his face. Step 8. Fire on the head. Whoosh! Let's draw some cool fire on top of his head. Draw wavy, pointy lines going up and down, just like dancing flames. You are a true artist. Step 9. Time to dress him up. Under his square face, draw 2 little triangles pointing down to make a nice white shirt collar. Step 10. Draw a little tie hanging down. Add details. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Beautiful! Step 11. Tummy, arms, and clenched fists. Let's draw his white shirt for the tummy and 2 arms on the sides. Show me your strong muscles. Yay! Add small hands at the ends, like he is ready to stomp. Step 12. The belt under the shirt. Draw a straight line with a little square in the middle. That is his belt! Fantastic! Step 13. Trousers and shoes. Draw 2 straight legs for his brown pants. Add details. And 2 cute, round shapes at the bottom for his shoes. Look at him standing so strong. Outro and magic effect. Now for the most fun part. Let's add lots of magical fire around him. Whoosh! Now color him in with red, orange, and yellow to make the fire look hot and bright. You did it! See? I told you it was super easy. If you love drawing with me, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.